Meet the Amtech Auto RevoZsport G82 M4 and the RevoZsport G80 M3. Long teased on the channel, but it's finally here in the flesh. The aerodynamicist behind what you see here is none other than Paul Lucas, the mastermind behind the Hoonigan Hoonipig, Ferris's dominant time attack C6 Corvette, and he has done work on PhD's Jackie Ding's Supra and now of course his RevoZsport G87 M2. Formerly at Ferris Engineering, now taking it to the next level at RevoZsport. This kit boasts over 2,500 pounds of downforce at 280 kilometers an hour, and with Aero magic, it still stays slippery. Starting at the front, we have the front canards, a front splitter, and air dam with massive tunnels directing the flow to the vented carbon fenders, sucking the front end to the ground. On the side, extended carbon skirts leading to the rear spats and a massive rear wing. Just look at this thing. Best thing, the whole kit fits within the GLTC Street Mod class rules, and yes, we drove both of these cars to the track. Today on a 295 square 200 treadwear setup, what better place to shake down these cars than at Canadian Tire Motorsports Park Grand Prix track, a former F1 track. And this track boasts the highest average speed of any track in North America. And what better organizer than Ontario Time Attack? Let's go for a drive.
What a view here at Canadian Tire Motorsports Park. The Amtech Auto G82 RevoZsport kit. Got my battle buddy Brandon in the back. Here we go, let's shake these guys down. Super excited to see what this feels like. Here we go, guys. Recalibrate my entire brain. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy crap. What is going on? I gotta take it 1 gear higher. Holy crap, this is fast. Pushing a little bit on the high speed stuff. Come on, left foot braking, control it, let's go. We're gonna hit traffic here. Oh man, come on. It's okay, just a practice session. We're gonna easily be in the 25s. We're gonna do a 25 today. Let's go. Holy crap, this car is fast. I can't even, the closing speeds are almost dangerous. This is This is crazy. This is crazy. I've done one lap. I've done one lap. We're about to do a 25. This is crazy. The confidence in the high speed. It's pushing a little bit here. Look, there's literally no point of me being on track right now. I just gotta wait for the competition sessions to just send it. So everyone, we did a total of 1.5 laps, we can call it, or 2 laps, and we almost broke into the 125s, which is absolutely crazy. We saw it on the Delta on the Garmin, but of course we hit traffic there. But yeah, the closing speeds are just a little bit too fast for all the other cars on track, and so I think I'm going to sit tight, maybe do one more practice session and just save it for competition. Brandon's putting really fast times down as well. His main complaint is he's actually on the sofa seats. He actually dailies this car with his kids in the back, so he's on sofas. But we're both complaining about a little bit of mid-corner push, especially in like turn 4, for example, turn 8, turn 1. And both of the cars are running pretty soft rear springs, unfortunately. Like, I'm on a 20K divorce, he's on a 13K non-divorce, so at the wheel that's very little. Like, honestly, we probably need more than double the rear spring rate. Unfortunately, with our suspension, we don't have proper motorsport bump stops. Like a rear Aero bump stop would be absolutely amazing. You know, set the car up for all the slow stuff, and then when the Aero kicks in at high speed, for it to sort of ride on the bump stops, or have some sort of progressive bump stop that increases the spring rates as the springs compress. I'm not going to call myself an expert, but I have a lot of consult from a lot of smart people, including Mr. Lucas over there, who's of course worked on Hoonapig, worked on Ferris' C6, Jackie Ding. Like, his resume is just crazy. Now with RevoZsport, and the whole team there is absolutely amazing. So first amazing shakedown, but even stock power, like if we start doing some weight reduction on this car, if we turn up the boost, if we get proper spring rates, and this car, honestly, it feels like there's a lot of bushing deflection. Like, the only spherical bushing on this car is, I guess, the one in the top hats for camber adjustment in the front and the rear toe arm. Otherwise, all the bushings are stock. So once we go full spherical, we'll really be able to utilize the full Aero. And I just feel like this Aero package is a step above everybody else, and the car itself can't really utilize it or handle it right now. It just needs better spring rates, bump stops. It needs spherical bushings, and just, I guess, for me to just get some more seat time in it. So I'm super excited. Let's go see what we can do at the end of the day. Hopefully head into a competition session soon. We're actually going to take one more degree out of the rear wing because I'm still experiencing some on-power understeer. And I mean, is it the rear wing? Probably not. It's probably more the rear spring rates being so soft. Like, as soon as I touch the power, the car is really squatting. And so it's unloading the front end, right? So maybe changing the wing will help. We don't know. We just have to try it. We're heading into the competition session. If I don't like it, I could always change it back. So the car's not really rotating, and I have not a lot of adjustability. I just have to absolutely send it on the entries, wait till the car sets. Don't get on power too early, because as soon as I touch the power, it starts to push. I just have to, again, send it at entries, let it load up, wait, and then all-wheel drive traction out of corners. So here we go. go. What? This kit is unlike any. And are you telling me this is street mod? Like, it's RevoZsport versus the world. RevoZsport versus the world. I've tried the Bears kit on the G87. Even with the tune that car, this car is insane. This car, I'm literally shaking. Like, there's more in me. There's more in me. I'm lost for words here.
So everyone, of course, next to me is the RevoZsport MTech Auto G82 Time Attack build, and this is only the beginning. This was a shakedown, and this car is an unfinished product. Basically, we had a few weeks to get this all together, get me in the seat, shake it down, and then further develop it. And so my thoughts, first of all, the Aero is definitely working, but consider this. Think about a base Carrera and putting on a Manti kit on it. It'll help, but it won't work well. And that's kind of sort of what I said to the guys here. There's too much bushing deflection. The only spherical bushing is in the top hat and in the rear toe arm. Otherwise, it's all stock arms. The spring rates are way too soft. And this car is running 13K front and 20K divorced. And taking into, typical BMW motion ratios, calculating the wheel rate, it's not enough. Talking to Jackie Ding, who's the motorsport director at RevoZsport, he's running close to double the rear spring rate than we are. So there's a lot of development that needs to happen in terms of spring rates, in terms of bushings, to really utilize all the Aero. To add to that, it was a struggle driving this car. It's 3,900 pounds plus. Even though we've done a little bit of weight reduction, it's still up there in weight. And so the only way that I could drive it and to use the Aero is just absolutely send it on the entries, settle the car, and wait, delay throttle until the car is rotated and pointed, and then just use that all-wheel drive traction to basically get you out of the corners. Because if you get on the throttle even a little bit early, the rear end just squats down so aggressively, it lifts the front end, you lose downforce, and the car just starts to push. This car really impressed me in corners like turn 2, but in corners like turn 1 and turn 4, like it was really pushing. Turn 8 it was pushing, and then in the corners 9 and 10, this car just weighs so much, it has a lot of trouble transitioning. So next steps, spherical bushings for sure, stiffer spring rates, and what we can do is really tune the car to rotate in the slow stuff and make use of the all-wheel drive traction, and in the fast stuff use things like Aero bump stops or progressive bump stops that essentially, as the Aero compresses the springs, the bump stop also engages and essentially adds spring rate. And so we can have a car that's really eager to rotate in the slow stuff, but super stable and balanced in the high speed stuff. That's our goal with this car, to build a perfect driving machine to really take this G82 to the next level and really utilize the potential of the Aero that RevoZsport has developed. I'm absolutely blown away. This is just a shakedown. We have so much planned for this car, but I think my main thing is like spring rates, bushings, and this car needs a diet. Things like maybe carbon doors or a lightweight battery, things like that. And we haven't even touched the power yet. It's still stock exhaust, stock power. The sky is really the limit with this build, and I'm excited to be part of the team with RevoZsport, part of the team here at MTech Auto. And if you have a BMW, Audi, Porsche, or any car for that matter, check out MTech Auto. They do race consultation, modifications, really anything with cars, come check us out. And if you want any of these parts, they are the licensed dealer here in Canada for RevoZsport. So everyone, follow along in the G82 journey, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.